Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I have an amazing tutorial for you. An easy and fast way to connect to the internet using slow DNS config on HTTP Custom VPN. This is one of the simplest methods, and I'll guide you step by step. For more VPN updates and hidden tricks, don't forget to check out our blog. And of course, support us by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel. Alright, let's get started. First, we need the slow DNS configuration file. Here's how to find it. 1. Open your browser and search for HTTP Custom in Google. 2. Look for the official website in the search results and click on it. 3. Once you're on the homepage, tap the hamburger menu at the top left corner. 4. Select Slow DNS Files. 5. A small window will open. Click on HTTP Custom Slow DNS. 6. The page will start a 10-second countdown. Once it finishes, the download button will appear. 7. Click Download to open the download page, where you'll find a list of HTTP custom configs. 8. Choose the latest config file and click on it. 9. On the download page, click Download again, and in a few seconds, the file will be saved on your device. Next, we need to install the latest version of HTTP Custom VPN. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. 2. Search for HTTP Custom and find it in the search results. 3. Tap Install and wait for the installation to complete. 4. Once installed, open the HTTP Custom app. Now, let's import the slow DNS config file into the app. 1. On the app's homepage, tap the plus button. 2. Select Open Config. This will open your device's download folder. 3. Locate the HTTP Custom file you just downloaded and tap on it. 4. Within a few seconds, the file will be successfully imported into the app. Now that the file is imported, it's time to connect the VPN. 1. Tap the Start button in HTTP Custom VPN. 2. Wait a few seconds, and your VPN will connect successfully. 3. Now enjoy fast and secure internet browsing with slow DNS. And that's it! You've successfully set up slow DNS on HTTP Custom VPN. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also, check out our blog for more VPN tips and hidden tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy browsing!